Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. The anticipation is finally over. Nothing has officially introduced the Phone 3a Pro, and we've now got a real hands-on look at it. This device has been making waves in leaks and rumors, mostly because of its rather unique and unconventional design. But now that nothing has officially showcased it, we can finally understand the logic behind its bold new appearance. And that's not all. Alongside this, they also gave us a brief glimpse at their upcoming flagship, the Phone 3. Starting with the unboxing experience, Nothing has once again done something totally different in their signature style, by letting a robot unbox the Phone 3a Pro. Yes, you heard that right. If that doesn't scream futuristic, then I don't know what does. This creative way of revealing the phone might also be hinting at the inclusion of some AI-powered features, as the device is set to run on the latest Nothing OS 3.0. Before settling on the final design of the 3a Pro, Nothing shared some early design concepts, and honestly, some of those designs were pretty questionable. Looking at them, I couldn't help but think that we might have dodged a bullet. But the final design? Surprisingly, it actually looks really good. Now, I get that not everyone will agree with me. Some of you might even roast me in the comments, but that boxy frame and fresh new aesthetic? I think it's a bold move. At least they're trying to break away from the cycle of repetitive phone designs. Moving on to the camera setup, the most striking feature on the back of the Phone 3a Pro is its massive camera module. And there's a good reason for it. It houses a periscope sensor. That's right, the Pro version will come with 3x optical zoom and an insane 60x digital zoom. That's also why the camera module has a rounder design, to accommodate that powerful lens. And the upgrades don't stop there. Even the front camera is getting a big boost, with the Pro model expected to feature a 50-megapixel sensor. One of the most intriguing details about the Phone 3a Pro is the addition of a brand new button on the device. However, Nothing hasn't revealed what it actually does. My best guess? It could be related to camera functions or possibly even an AI-powered feature. Whatever it is, it definitely adds an extra layer of curiosity to this phone. Now, something that has me wondering is the absence of the standard Phone 3a. We already know that Nothing is launching two models, the 3a and the 3a Pro. While they've showcased the Pro version, the regular 3a remains a mystery. Could this mean a surprise launch is on the way, or is something else happening behind the scenes? Adding to the mystery, they also gave us a very brief look at the upcoming flagship, the Phone 3, though it was blurred out. At the very least, we now know that it's ready and will probably launch soon after the 3a series. To top it all off, the Phone 3a Pro is confirmed to support 50W fast charging, which means it can charge from 0 to 100% in just 56 minutes, and up to 50% in only 19 minutes. If these numbers prove accurate, Nothing's latest lineup could easily outshine other mid-range competitors like the Pixel 9a or Galaxy A56, especially in terms of charging speed. This phone is shaping up to be a serious competitor in the mid-range market. So, what do you guys think about the Phone 3a Pro? Are you excited about this device? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.